everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful Saturday morning, and the reason why is because I woke up to a completely clean house. My floors are swept and mopped. I have 0 dishes. All of the laundry has been folded and put away. How did I do all of these magnificent things, you ask? Grab a cup of coffee, girl, and let me tell you. So today we're going to be going over something a little different. Not necessarily something homeschool related, but definitely family centered, something motherhood centered, rhythms and routines. So this past May we moved, which completely threw us out of our routine, which is to be expected with moving. And as we started getting settled in, I started trying to find a routine, trying to figure out what works here, because I mean there's different things, different places to go to, all that kinds of stuff. And I started actually coincidentally reading a lot about rhythms and routines. And luckily for me, I started doing that because we've been able to kind of step into this homeschool year a little easier, a little less stressed. About a month ago, the dishes just kept piling up over and over, and it was just non-stop. And we hand wash our dishes, you guys. Like, I hate that dishwasher that has come with this house because it doesn't dissolve the soap packets, but we've always just kind of have hand washed our dishes. But I don't even have the option to use the dishwasher if I wanted to, because the dishwasher sucks and I'm really lazy, so I forget to call maintenance to fix things. But so they just kept piling up, and it would take us an hour to wash because we'd have this mountain high pile of dishes. Do you want another one? And it was just getting so stressful, and I wasn't washing them. I was leaving them for my husband to wash. Thank you, love, if you're watching this. But so we came to an agreement that it couldn't continue. So we decided what we're gonna do is that the minute a dish goes in there, we're gonna wash it. We're not even gonna leave it, because if you leave it, then one dish becomes 5 dishes, becomes 50 dishes, and then you're like, oh my gosh, I need to wash my dishes, or I need to get takeout because something's gotta change. And so we decided that we would just start washing as soon as dishes got into the sink. And you guys, that has been such an easy thing to do and such a huge blessing. There's no huge mountain of dishes anymore. And the same thing goes for when you're cooking and you're taking out spices and you're taking out pots and pans and you're taking out utensils. As soon as you're done with them, wash them, wipe them up, whatever you need to do, and put them away the minute you're done using them. It's been so easy to keep the house clean. I've been striving to become a minimalist over the last 2 to 3 years, and we've gotten rid of so many things. And although we're not necessarily where I want to be yet, we're getting closer to. And I don't want to be a minimalist where I throw all of my stuff out, but I want to be a functional minimalist. Everything that we have, I want it to serve a purpose, serve our family in some way. I want it to be of use to us. I don't want to have stuff just to have stuff, because when we do, that's when the kids just bring stuff out just for the sheer sake of bringing it out. It's not anything that's serving a purpose. It's not anything that they're playing with. It's just something to pull out and leave for mom to clean. And you guys, we've got 4 kids. Mom is done cleaning. Which leads me into my next rhythm and routine, laundry. Oh my God, that was awesome. No, horrible, don't do that. All right, so the baby's smacking me because he doesn't like laundry either. So anyway, about a month ago, everything just kind of came to a head, and we were washing all of our laundry either, Sturdy's gonna hit me again. We were washing all of our laundry either Friday evening or during Saturday. And you guys, it was taking so long. Like 3 huge loads of laundry felt like I was washing 15 loads of laundry, and I was so stressed, like stressed to the point where I was folding and I was getting angry. Why do they have so many clothes? Why do we have so much? Like, this is ridiculous. And so I decided, you know what, like at that point the kids didn't have their own laundry basket. They were just throwing stuff in me and Renee's as they were done taking a bath or getting dressed for the day or whatever. And so I was like, I'm done. We're going to the grocery store, or not the grocery store, but you know, a store, and we're getting them a laundry basket each. Like they each get their own laundry basket, and then I'm gonna wash Addie's stuff on one day, I'm gonna wash Noah's stuff on another day, and then I'll wash our stuff the following day. So what I've been doing is on Wednesdays I wash Addie's clothes, and because it's just her clothes, it maybe takes me 5 to 8 minutes to fold. And then she puts it away. I don't have anything to do with that. And they both know at this point that if they put their stuff away in a sloppy manner, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it in the middle of their room for them to fold. So they're on it, they're folding, they're putting it away nicely, and I don't have to worry about refolding anything. And then the following day, I wash Noah's clothes and the baby's clothes. And again, it doesn't take me that long to fold it. So I'm not sitting there for an hour every day. And then the following day, I'll wash me and my husband's clothes and the towels. And then I'm done. I'm done for the week. Like, I got all of the laundry done yesterday. Like, it was my clothes and the towels. And that was it. Now I'm done for the weekend. I get to enjoy the weekend. The only thing I need to do is food prep. So if you're looking for a different kind of laundry schedule, try getting everybody their own laundry basket and washing 1 person a day or 2 people a day, and have them put away their clothes. Especially if your kids are kind of like 5 and up. I feel like anything above 5 years old, like they should have a pretty good concept of, this is where my clothes go, and mommy wants me to put them away nicely. And they're not always gonna do a good job. I mean, sometimes I walk into their bedroom and Addie's closet is a train wreck. And that's just when we talk about it, and you wanna play now? And she either refolds things and puts them away, or I give her grace and I help her and I show her how to do it. It just really depends on the day and honestly my mood and just the situation. My last rhythm and routine, sweeping and mopping, or in my case, vacuuming and mopping, because you guys, like, I'm not a great housewife. Like, I am very organized, but when it comes to like things like ironing and sweeping, I'm not gonna sweep my whole house. I'll vacuum it, or I'll get my trusty Roomba. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen me post an Instagram live of the Roomba going yesterday, which was awesome. And we also have a Braava jet. So lately we haven't been using the Braava. It's basically, for those of you who don't know, it's a mop that's a Roomba. That thing is awesome. Up until this whole summer, we've been using our steam mop, but yesterday I ran the Braava, and it was nice because I didn't have to lift a finger. You guys, between homeschooling and budgeting and meal planning and cooking and then doing the YouTube channel and any other errands that I have so much on my plate already. And right now my husband is gone for work, which was completely unexpected. And normally if I hadn't had these rhythms and routines in place right now, I would be feeling completely overwhelmed. But luckily, because we've put in the hard work over the last month and we've kind of gotten on a good schedule, it's made my life easier. And I am so grateful for a little bit of easy right now. I mean, and as far as my routine for vacuuming and mopping, no, baby loves coffee too. As far as my routine for that, I try to do it later on in the week because I do like to enter the brand new week with a fresh home, a clean home. So yesterday I did it, which was Friday. And we'll probably just keep up like running the Roomba every couple of days. But if you don't have a Roomba, you guys just try to vacuum. Like, it's not, if you make, what I found is if you make small bursts of time just to do little things, like just do like 2 or 3 tasks a day during your Monday through Friday, and your weekend will be easier. That's when you can rest. Like, we spend so much time mothering those babies and taking care of every need that they have. We deserve rest too. So you should take the weekend, you know, work hard throughout the week, and then take the weekend to rest. Take the weekend to spend time with your family. Take the weekend to pour into your own cup so you can pour into those babies during the week. It doesn't need to be stressful. You know, I don't try to do all of the laundry on Wednesday, or all of, you know, the dishes, like leaving the dishes all week long and then doing them only on Thursday, and vacuuming, and, you know, making our beds and washing all of the laundry, and that would just be too much. So just take little things each and every day. Take 2 to 3 things, like, hey, I know that I can get this done on this day. Make realistic goals. It doesn't have to be anything insane. It doesn't have to be, oh, well, I'm just destined to live in a dirty house. You guys, you saw my house. I have 4 kids. You would never know. That was awesome. But, you know, I also limit them on toys, which my husband thinks I'm a monster. But he, I think, is starting to come around to my thinking, because the baby's just a chatty Cathy today. I limit them to 10 toys each, which, you know, I don't count Legos in that, and I don't count doll houses and dollhouse pieces in that. But, you know, I don't want 25 Barbies floating around the house that never get played with. I mean, like I mentioned, my kids will pull things out just for the sake of pulling them out and not really playing with them. So, you know, maybe think of doing an overhaul. Like, do your kids have too many toys, like, that they're not really playing with? I noticed that when I decided to limit my kids' toys, they really started playing more and more intentionally. And it was, these are my favorite toys. And it kind of just got them in the groove of being happy with what they have and being content with what they have, and not just seeking more and more and more and more. I mean, they're kids. They're still going to want stuff, but they're not just, oh, well, I kind of like this toy, but then I treat this other toy poorly. Like, no, they have 10 toys, so if they don't treat them nicely, then that's what you get. Like, I'm not made of money. My husband's not made of money. This is what you have. You need to be grateful for it. You need to take care of it. So let me know in the comments, what kind of rhythms and routines do you guys have? What is up with him hitting me? Let me know what kind of rhythms and routines you guys have in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and share it with your friends. And hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you again later. Bye.